If you've forgotten your Snapchat password or want to change it for security reasons, follow these steps to reset it easily. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to the login screen. If you are not already logged in, tap on Login. If you are logged in, log out to access the login screen. Step 3. Select Forgot Your Password. On the login screen, tap on the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 4. Choose Recovery Method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your password reset link. You can select either your email address or phone number associated with your account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Snapchat account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.